Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the return of a true legend in the power cruiser world, the 2026 Harley-Davidson V-ROD. Known for its muscular stance, aggressive styling, and unmatched performance, the V-ROD has always symbolized raw American power with modern engineering. The 2026 model marks a thrilling comeback, blending classic Harley DNA with cutting-edge updates for a new generation of riders. Let's explore what makes this new V-ROD a standout in the performance cruiser class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Harley-Davidson V-ROD commands attention with its bold and muscular design. Harley has reimagined the bike's signature drag-style silhouette with sharper lines, a lower stance, and aerodynamic detailing. The massive rear tire, sculpted tank, and minimalist LED headlamp create an intimidating yet modern profile. A new lightweight aluminum frame reduces weight while maintaining rigidity, and the bike now offers updated color schemes with premium finishes that highlight its performance-focused look. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 V-ROD is a re-engineered 1,250 cubic centimeters Revolution Max V-twin engine, tuned for explosive power and smooth torque delivery. With over 150 horsepower on tap, it delivers breathtaking acceleration while maintaining Harley's distinctive character. The 6-speed transmission ensures crisp gear changes, and a redesigned exhaust system enhances both performance and sound. Harley has refined the suspension for better control and comfort, and the improved braking system with dual front discs offers precise stopping power, even at high speeds. Safety and technology. The new V-ROD isn't just about brute force, it's packed with technology for a safer and smarter ride. It comes equipped with cornering ABS, traction control, ride modes, and cruise control. The new TFT digital display integrates Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and performance data, giving riders full control at their fingertips. LED lighting all around improves visibility, while the new adaptive headlight system enhances safety during night rides. Every feature is engineered to match the bike's modern performance and timeless appeal. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley-Davidson V-ROD makes a powerful statement, reviving an icon with modern muscle, bold design, and advanced technology. It's the perfect blend of Harley's rebellious spirit and 21st-century innovation. Whether you're chasing adrenaline on the highway or turning heads downtown, the new V-ROD is built to dominate. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, reveals, and deep dives into the most exciting machines on two wheels.